Hello guys, and welcome to another Discord.js tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be doing the command handler. On the command handler, we'll start with the index.js file. And then we'll head over down here to client events. Alright, now that we have the collection to play, we can actually require the event file as well, which we'll be creating here in a minute. Alright, so now that the commands will be called, there is nothing else we have to do in this file. Next, we want to make touch a file, which will be into source just utils. Then it will be called command.js. Alright, now that we're in this file, we can now const read directory sync equals to require fs. Then we can do module to exports equals to client equals to greater to this. Read directory sync and /source /commands. So that's where we get our files from. But this is going to be different than the event handler. Because when we do we're not going to filter here, we're going to for each it. Because now we want to get each directory. So that way we have our directories too, because this is going to be the format. We're going to be going to source, to commands, just for example, to fun, then to commands.js, or wherever the name of the command is. So that's just the format of it. Commands equals to read directory sync. Then it's the same directory, except we're going to add this little quotation mark input directory. This is where we filter. And then we'll do f equals to greater to f.ends with j. .js. After that, we can now we can do our for let file of commands. Let pull goes to require commands directory file and that. So now we have our pool. This is where we put our client. Commands set pull dot name pull. And last but not least, we'll console.log loaded command file. After that, we can end the for loop there. Then we're also going to have to end the require. After that, we can now save. Now we can touch one of our events. We're going to have to touch into our message create event. And now we have to edit this. We can actually just erase the switch statement. And in its place, we do const command equals to args 0 dot 2 lower case. And then we can do const command goes to client dot commands dot get. Then we can do command then if not command, so if there's no command matching our results, we'll just return and end the message event. And we can do command dot execute. Then this is where our client message args and message embed go. After that, we can save and close this file as we're no longer need it. I'm also gonna delete our test console log here. And make this more even. Okay. So now we can exit and hit yes. Okay. So now we can actually create our directories. So we're gonna make directory. Source / commands. Then our directory for our fun folder. I'll create directories as we need them. Okay, now we can make the file. We'll make this hello.js to put our hello command into. And then we can just nano into it. Now that we're in our hello.js command, we can do module dot exports equals to name hello. This description get hello from the bot. Now remember, your description can be whatever you want. It's anything with the name. It doesn't have to be said thing. Then we'll do our category. It'll be fun. I'm gonna match the file name. So technically, I also have to do the folder name. So technically, I could just fetch the folder that this is in. But for easiness, I'm just gonna define it manually. Usage will be a simple hello. And we'll do async execute. This is what runs the command. Just remember, if you name this execute run instead, make sure you change it inside the message event. Then we can do client dot not client dash message dash args dash message embed. Then you can do message dot reply content hello. Now this is gonna be the exact same way how we did it inside the registry event. So if you copied it, you can actually just paste it in, and you'll be good to go. Then you can test it to make sure there's no more bugs. Alright, so now we are done with our message command here. We can save this file, and now we can actually run the bot. But first I need to nano into config.js and change the version number to 3. And I forgot to put something in. But this is within the source utils command.js. And then now I can start. Here we go. It loaded the command hello. And if we do hello. Oops. If you do hello, it will say hello back, and it pings you because that's how to do so. If you guys have any questions, feel free to join the Discord, like I said earlier in this video, and we'll be free to help you. See you guys in the next episode. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I work so hard on these videos. Here is the previous video, where you can watch the previous video. Here is the recommended video from YouTube. Here is the playlist to the series that is currently playing. And hit subscribe. See ya.